Hey, Sangalang here. Do you want to see how a seemingly regular photo can be turned into a fantastic work of art? In this video, we'll go through the transformation of a regular photo of my kid Eli playing and see how we can turn that into a photo composite. Here's why I created this photo composite. The colorful plastic machine blew a maelstrom of bubbles. Eli howled like a wolf. I wanted to create a scene that conveyed the feeling of this magical moment, and so developed the following photo composite. The most challenging thing with this photo composite might have been removing the bubbles that hid Eli's face. Here are the rest of the photos I used to create this piece of art. Finally, let's put it all together. Alright, short and sweet. As you can see that with the right photos and a little imagination, the possibilities for creating art are endless. That's the end of our video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing. I'm Sangalang. I'll see you in the next video.